Everybody, Space Boy CT here, back with us once again. I'm here with yet another food review to pass the time because I'm a bit bored at the moment. And, well, I did a video like a few years ago on how I tried the nacho cheese flavored Smartfood, the nacho cheese Doritos flavored Smartfood popcorn. Guess what? We got the same thing, but instead of nacho cheese, it's Crunch. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to try these out for the first time. These cost like $3.80 something in Dollar General, which is pretty wild, not gonna lie. And it's also limited flavor, so let's go ahead and give these the try, the taste test we possibly ought to solve. But first, sniffy sniff sniff. Oh, okay, now that just smells like Doritos straightforward. Oh, here's the little molecule. May look disgusting at first, but hey, to me it looks delicious. Very, very well seasoned, not gonna lie. Alright, 3, 2, 1, here we go. That's delicious. Oh. That's so good. Oh. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Oh my god, that actually tastes really amazing in popcorn form. That's amazing right there. Yeah. Not much else to say. That's just delicious. Really tastes like Doritos, Crunch Doritos. Surprisingly, it is a really great popcorn flavor. If you tried these before, let me know what y'all think of it in the comments below, as well as the nacho cheese one if you tried those as well. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment down below which snack y'all want me to try next. I heard about the PB&J Reese cups and the salted caramel Butterfingers. If I find them and I have enough money to get them, I'll do a review on both for y'all. Until then, Space Boy CT out.
The end.